EPB can be easily activated with a switch. While the vehicle is stationary, press the brake pedal and pull the switch to activate EPB. Push the switch to deactivate it. While auto hold is activated, turning off the engine. Or shifting to P on a slope automatically engages EPB. Shifting out of P automatically disengages EPB. If you have difficulty braking with the brake pedal, manually stop the vehicle by pulling the switch and holding it until the vehicle comes to a halt. For safety, only perform manual braking in emergencies.
Kia, movement that inspires.